Marketing risk. I am Asbir from Engineering Department. I am working in Information Technology. Now we are going to present topic on vermicomposting. It is nothing but organic source of plant nutrients. Nitrogen is needed for plant stem growth and using amino acids to build plant nutrients. Phosphorus is used for root and seed production, and it is also essential for DNA applications and to form cell walls, complete the reproduction cycle. Nutrient functions. Create amino acids which are building blocks of protein. Amino acids are used in forming protoplasm site for all cell divisions and thus for plant growth and development needed for all the enzymatic reactions in a plant. Therefore, necessary for photosynthesis is mandatory. Here, the plant needs macronutrients and macronutrients. Macronutrients which includes nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, sulfur. And micronutrients includes barium, fluorine, copper, ferrous, magnesium, manganese, zinc, which mainly causes the strength for the plants in the root region. Essential nutrients. There are basic nutrients, macronutrients and micronutrients. These three which includes the growth of the plants in the proper way. First basic nutrients is CHO. And C is calcium, H is hydrogen, O is oxygen. And the macronutrients which includes the nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, sulfur. And the micronutrients which includes ferrous, manganese, zinc, copper, magnesium, fluorine, and nickel. So specific macronutrients and its functions. Nitrogen promotes rapid growth and gives plants healthy green color. This is the purpose of nitrogen. Phosphorus stimulates the early growth, root formation, seed production, and makes plant hardy. Potassium improves the plant's ability to resist disease, aids and production of carbos and flower formations. These three are the main nutrients of the plants. That is NPK, that is nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Nutrient uptake by chemical fertilizer. Nutrient uptake is the amount of each nutrient required for the crop to complete its life cycle at the given yield level. Nutrients removal is calculated by taking the concentration of each nutrient in harvested material and multiplying by the harvest yield. In the process, plants absorb various elements from the soil, some 18 of which are considered essential nutrients for plant growth. The ability to supply those elements to plants in optimal quantities to promote their growth determines the soil's chemical fertility. Source of nutrients for organic agriculture. For organic productions of organonomic crops, manure, compost, and nitrogen fixation are the main source of added nutrients. However, other organic products are used to enhance the nutrient availability for high-value crops with varying nutrient compositions and mineralization rates. Predominant organic manures and related source used in Indian agriculture are: first one is cattle manure and poultry green manure, biofertilizers, green leaf manure, sheep and goat manure, tossed with recycling, city waste, weed manure, fruits vegetables waste, bone meal, meat meal and fish waste, egg industry waste, agro industry waste, and compost vermicompost, crop residue. In this, vermicompost plays a vital role in the manure, which causes the high yield in the growth of crops, and we can expect the materials without any pollution. This is the plant cycle which causes the organic fertilizers, organic matter, soil nutrients, micronutrients, and macronutrients to the plant's nutrients. That is, in soil we have nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. After many yield, it will be reduced. So to improve that, we have to introduce the manure which is to be user friendly. That is environmental friendly, like vermicomposting. Here, magnesium, calcium, bacteria, phosphorus, nitrogen, which improve the nutrients of the soil. Organic nutrient management. Nutrient management with the use of organic sources like organic method, compost, vermicompost, manures, and green manures, etc. is called organic management. Inorganic nutrients management means supplying the nutrients with the use of chemical fertilizers. Organic farming it is the production of system which avoids largely explodes the use of synthetically compounded fertilizers, pesticides, growth regulators, genetically modified organisms, and livestock food additives. Vermicompost. Here we come to the important topic is vermicompost. Vermicompost is the product of earthworms, digestion, and aerobic decomposition using activities of micro and microorganisms at the room temperature. Vermicompost is warm composting produces rich organic soil amendment and containing diversity of plant nutrients and beneficial microorganisms. Earthworms look like this. Benefits of earthworms are develop the root of the plant, improves the physical structure of the soil, vermicompost increases the fertility of the water, resistance to soil, helps in germination, plant growth and crop yield, nurtures soil with the plant growth and hormones such as acids, gibberellic acids, etc. Reasons why vermicomposting is important because helps in managing heavy metals waste, helps in managing solid waste, takes less time compared to composting, provides organic manure, economic and cost efficient.